Hi everyone, welcome back, and this is a yarn of the week video, and just a little close-up of my sticker there. So today's yarn of the week is the retwist. Let's get down a little bit and we'll look at the label. Upside down trace. Which one isn't? This, no. That one. No, they're all upside down. Epic fail. I'll be right there, that's better. Dressed properly. So it is the retwist t-shirt yarn, and the yarn of the week is being quite considerably reduced. So it was reduced before, and it's retwist, but brought to you by James C. Brett. Now these are all of the nitty gritty bits. Let's see if we can zoom in and read this label. So we are 90% cotton and 10% elastane, and it is thick, obviously, very thick yarn. So you need between an 8mm and a 12 crochet hook for it. This yarn needles are there, knitting needles rather. And where are we? Length and width, a minimum of 110 meters. Average was 150 meters. So they are around 750, well, between 650 and 750 grams. Because these are, they're recycled yarn, but they are the end of kind of batches of the kind of t-shirt material made into yarn. So I've got several colours, as you can see. I've got a really lovely teal. Some of these don't have much quantity, but you get quite a lot on each ball. Now, if I put it in some kind of perspective, I purchased a really small ball of t-shirt yarn from Paper Tiger, which cost me £5, and this is about I'd say a good 6 times as much yarn as I got on that soppy little ball, which, as I've never used it. So, you know, that just shows you. Anyway, because it's not enough to make anything with, I made a little thing for the bathroom out of some, but really I used near enough the whole of what I bought in colour to do it. It was just not really worth the money. Anyway, it's we've got the light shining on it, so it's not it's not sort of it is a nice solid colour. It just might bleach out a little bit because bright in here. It's got lots of windows. So we've got this really lovely kind of rich teal colour, a very light pink and a very light blue. We've got this really lovely fawn colour and brown. And there's a burgundy, but it's a kind of a dusky burgundy. We've also got royal blue and this, I called it dark teal, but it's a kind of a denim-y dark teal, wouldn't you say? I don't know. Then we've got red, and lots of red in the store, and black. We've got a fair few blacks. Now, there are 2 different types of grey, and it's called grey, but 2 different types came in the batch, where you've got this kind of like a motley grey or a solid kind of grey, you know, so it's like a solid, doesn't look quite as solid as I want it to. There you go, it's not motley like the other one. So those are my colours. Like I said, some of them have only got maybe 1 in stock, but a lot of them have more quantities than that, and the black and the red certainly have way more. Now, on paper it did suggest that I had navy blue, but I have looked again. I did a stock take yesterday, but I looked again today at the blacks, thinking that there might be a navy blue there, and it also had that I had different quantities of other stuff. So I am wondering if I have a box of this somewhere that I've not yet unearthed. But I will do the stock take today, and the quantities that are uploaded on the site today are the ones that I have readily available. There's a good chance I haven't reached all of the boxes since I moved into the Yarnavan here. I haven't actually managed to get in all of them. But it is really good value for money, this t-shirt yarn. It's excellent quality, and well, there you go. And It is, as I said, my special offer has got a further special offer on it. And that's the reason for it, is it's quite bulky to store, and I really do need more space in the yarn van. So it's kind of getting to the time of year when people want to start making homewares and bits and bobs with t-shirt yarn. So I thought it was a good idea to do that this time round. Okay, so that's the yarn of the week. Now, sometimes I do a giveaway for the yarn of the week, but my giveaway will be a different one this time round. But I got a feeling that I've got a couple of these in stock, a couple of these, a couple of those. I probably got about 3 of those, couple of these. I think there's only one of the teal, and there's a couple of the blue. I'm not sure about the pink. Yep, there's a couple of pinks at least, but I'm going to do my stock take, as I say, in a moment. So before this video is uploaded and available, the stock levels on the website, which, if you haven't found already, is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. So those stock levels will all be okay in that store. Now, I do ship worldwide, and I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, there's a link in the description box to the store. So that's this time round's yarn of the week. Hope you like it, and you can maybe let me know if you've used t-shirt yarn, what you normally make with it. The only thing I've made so far with t-shirt yarn has been a basket, and this thing for the bathroom, which it was kind of a basket really, but it was oval shaped, and you put 3 toilet rolls in it, and you could sort of sit that on the side, and it was decorative. That was really a basket, and this kind of loo roll holder thing was the only things that I've really ever made with t-shirt yarn. But perhaps you can let me know what you've done. It's a shame you can't put some pictures on, but you can always send me some pictures. Then my email address and Facebook links are in the description box as well. So that's this one. Just pause it for a second while I bring my chair back. There we go. So I just wanted to show the label again, but the side has a number, not necessarily a colour. So I don't know how, I can't remember at this precise moment in time, how I listed those. It is possible I put the shade number on there, and well, there's obviously a picture of each one so that you'll know which one it is. But I may have called it grey where they haven't, or black where they haven't. But this, all of the usual washing instructions are on the side, and all of the doings, here we are. And so yeah, they are a minimum of 650, and there's usually between that and 750, and it gives you all of the details there on the yarn. So that is the retwist t-shirt yarn, and that's my yarn of the week this time. So thank you for watching. Nice big go back. I didn't want to think one of those cameras that go backwards and forwards. It's just a wheelie chair. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care and happy shopping. Bye for now.